Working in screenwriting with Final Draft and dealing with an FJS audiovisual document file? These format scripts for video and audio production. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Final Draft AV document files. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering FJSW files with corrupted internal metadata. A scriptwriting project file created by Final Draft AV, a specialized word processor for writing and formatting screenplays with dual columns for audio and video. Users searching for this are typically writers or production staff needing to open, edit, or collaborate on scripts formatted for commercials, documentaries, or corporate videos. A proprietary binary format designed to store not just text but also complex formatting rules, scene information, character lists, and revision tracking. This structured, container-like approach ensures that industry-standard screenplay layouts are maintained perfectly, which is critical for production workflows and script breakdowns. Final Draft Inc. endorses Final Draft AV as the main tool for handling FJSW files. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows can preview many document types, but full editing requires dedicated document software. The solution starts by inspecting the application list. Right-click the FJSW file and choose Open With. Use Final Draft AV as your primary choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your testing. If the FJSW file won't open, don't panic. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the FJSW file begins. First, opening in Final Draft. Launch Final Draft and use File then Open to load the FJSW file. The application displays the script in two-column AV format with video and audio columns. Edit content using Final Draft's specialized screenwriting features, including auto-formatting style enforcement and production tools designed for film, television, and commercial scriptwriting workflows. Next, exporting to other formats. Use Final Draft's export functionality to convert FJSW files to PDF, Final Draft FDX format, or text. Open the AV document and use File Export, selecting the desired output format. PDF exports preserve the visual layout for sharing with collaborators, while FDX provides the standard Final Draft format for compatibility across recent versions. Finally, importing in other tools. If Final Draft is unavailable, try opening FJSW files in alternative screenwriting tools like Cell Text Writer Duet or Fade, in which support importing Final Draft formats. Conversion may not perfectly preserve AV column formatting, requiring manual adjustment after import. For best results, use Final Draft for FJSW files maintaining full format compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.